We're back on, Norma Jean. Good to see you. By the way, you'll see in the background there a tall, skinny blonde. That's Wyono. That's Norma Jean's mother. She's a full-time resident down there at the OASIS. All right, so the redneck air conditioner didn't work. So I'm going to use a window unit air conditioner. I went to Walmart and bought the cheapest one they had. Now you notice I said window. When you're constructing your cabin, if you want a window air conditioner, you need to add a window. Now I actually do have a window in there that on that front porch there's a little sliver of a window that you'll see on the left-hand side of the door. That glass is thick bookshelf glass that I picked up off the streets. You know, Dallas junkin'. I get this window air conditioner, which runs on electricity. So I go out and I buy myself this big old gas generator. I take it down there. I'm just giggling with joy because I know this is going to make my life so much nicer. I fire this big old generator up, and it runs. And it does what it's supposed to do. And it's this loud! So I had a leftover pop-up 10x10 shelter. You know, the canvas top had disintegrated. I throw on some wood there to sturdy it up, and I'm running those black wire, which I found a whole big old spool, Dallas junkin', and I'm running this, lattice work all over it. Why? Because I had a whole stash of outdoor furniture cushions. And I figure, all right, they're thick, they're fluffy, and I'll make this soundproof room for the generator, but I had to have some way to put it on there. So I thought, well, all right, I'll tie string around each cushion to make a harness, and then I tied the harness to all of that black wire. So all this takes me, half a day, and I'm getting to a point where I'm looking at how much more I needed to put on that pop-up, and I'm looking at the stash I had of cushions, and I realized I don't have enough to cover the whole pop-up, so I only cover half the pop-up. So now I have a 10x5 soundproof outdoor room for a noisy generator. That didn't work. So I finally gave in, and I bought a Honda generator, which is real quiet. It runs, and it's sitting in the soundproof generator room. Now we're going to come up to where the actual air conditioner is. As I said, a window unit needs to be in a window. Well, I didn't have a window, but I had a double front door. So I took a half a door off. I pulled out a end table, stuck the end table in there, put the AC on top of there, walled it up with plywood, and it all works. I finally got to something, you try. How do you overcome your problem? You keep trying, and eventually you come up with the solution.